And I'm a math teacher here at Hillside High School, and today we are going to do a lesson on trigonometry using our acronym SOH-CAH-TOA. So before we begin, I do want to kind of line out what SOH-CAH-TOA actually means. Okay? So the S stands for sine, the C stands for cosine, and the T stands for tangent. Okay? So, since I have sine here, the O stands for opposite over the H stands for hypotenuse. Okay? With cosine, the A stands for adjacent, the H stands for hypotenuse. The T stands for tan, the O stands for opposite divided by adjacent. Okay? So for the problem that we have here, we have a right triangle, we have an angle of 36, we have a side of x, and a hypotenuse of 24. So we want to first find our reference angle, which happens to be 36. This is what we call my reference angle. Once I identify my reference angle, I want to ask myself one question. I want to ask, what two sides do I have? If I take my reference angle and I identify one side, this side will be my opposite side because it is across from my angle. I notice that my diagonal is always my hypotenuse. So in this particular problem, I have an opposite side and I have a hypotenuse. So I look back at my acronym and I ask myself, which trig function represents opposite and hypotenuse? And I notice that it is sine. I have opposite divided by hypotenuse. So I'm going to set my problem up. I will have sine of my angle, and it will be equal to my opposite side divided by my hypotenuse. So I have my opposite side, which was x, my hypotenuse, which is 24. My angle always goes here. So my angle is 36. Now all we have to do is cross multiply and solve for x. If I'm cross multiplying, I need another denominator, and we know that this happens to be 1. So now once I cross multiply, I will have 1x is equal to sine of 36 times 24. And all I have to do is take my calculator, make sure that it is in degree mode, and do sine of 36 times 24. And it tells me that x is 14.1. Therefore, I know that this side is 14.1.